What's up, guys? We're back again with another video. Today we're going to be working on a OBS here locally from Albuquerque. We're going to be doing a sunroof install. Not the weld-on kits, kind of like the new Webasto's, but it's just a basic sunroof. It doesn't come with all the trim and all that other stuff like the Webasto's do. But we're going to be working on that right there. That's going to be the next one for today. We do have another one after this, which is a like around 2000 Silverado. I sold him a sunroof. He wants me to go ahead and install it. He was going to install it himself, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. And then we're going to be doing a headliner on it, making it look real good. So OBS and Sleepy Eyes, 2 sunroofs today. The other one is like the same thing. It's a Webasto. It's those ones that you just cut and you just put the bracket in. You don't have to do no body work or welding. I could get those sunroofs, but they're just a little difficult to get. But when I do get them, they're sold. They're sold there because you don't have to do no body work and all that to it. But that's what we're working on today. The OBS. Get that one torn down. Go with the black headliner. And go from there. All right, stay tuned. Here's a look of the OBS. We'll be doing a black headliner. All right, guys, we got the headliner pulled out. Took out the side pillars, and then these OBSs have a double skin, so we gotta trim this one out so we can go ahead and put the bracket on this side, and then cut the hole for the sunroof on that side. So, all right, let's get the cut in. All right, guys, we got the hole cut out. We're ready to put the sunroof in. Just make sure everything is 100% on the kit. And then we'll go ahead and install the bracket, seal it up, wire it, and then I'll get some footage of it when it's open. All right, guys, we got the headliner wrapped, and I went ahead and poked the hole here for the switch, wrapped in black. We're gonna go ahead and install it, cut it out. Wrap that with the headline, with the sunroof, so it makes a nice clean look. And then I'm going to start putting the pillars back, and it should be done. I'll get some video of it once it's all said and done. Go from there. The install has been complete. We got everything installed. Headliner, sunroof been wired up. Everything's 100%. Everything's functional. Let's check it out. First truck just left, OBS. They just dropped off the second one. 2 o'clock. We're gonna knock this one out and go from there. This will be the second truck today. Tomorrow I will be doing on a Sunday and Monday. I'm gonna be working on I believe it's a Caprice 2-door. I'm gonna be doing a panoramic Mini Cooper on it. So stay tuned for that video.